30-year-old Shapree Monique Stoneham of Houston, Texas managed to evade the authorities for more than a year after being involved in the shooting death of a young boy named Jordan Allen Jr. The victim was struck in the back of the head by a stray bullet while playing on the balcony of his father's apartment in March of 2020. He was taken off life support 3 days later after doctors concluded that there was nothing more they could do to try saving him. Investigators believe that Allen was the unfortunate victim of a drive-by shooting and that the bullet was intended for someone else. According to a witness, the shooting was Stoneham's idea and she acted as the getaway driver. The act of violence reportedly stemmed from a fight that had occurred at the apartment complex earlier that evening. At least one of the individuals involved was a friend of Allen's father, and the dark-colored sedan that was seen during the shooting is thought to be the same car that was involved in the earlier altercation. While investigating the case, law enforcement received evidence from a tipster indicating that Stoneham had implicated herself in the crime during a conversation. In April of 2021, authorities announced Stoneham's arrest on a felony murder charge. She remains in custody at the Harris County Jail, with bond set at $500,000 as she awaits her next court hearing, which is scheduled for July of 2025. In August of 2023, more than 2 years after Stoneham's arrest, police arrested a second suspect, 25-year-old Alexis Moshe Gore, on suspicion of murder. She's also being held on $500,000 bond and is due to appear in court in July of 2025. Shortly after Alexis Gore's arrest, authorities appealed to the public for help finding 34-year-old Jasmine Janae Gore, who has been named as a person of interest in the case but has not been charged with any crimes. It's unclear whether she's been located.